Hi, my name is Janice Weir-Germia, and I'm here to help you develop your course. Now, some of the things you need to consider is, first of all, what is your topic? You need to think of a topic that is compelling and persuasive. So it might be how to boil an egg. So your topic might be how to use Excel as a small business. You might need to break down your topic into what we call building blocks. So you start from the small concepts and then you build on those concepts and then you build further and further. And by so doing, people begin to understand the topic. They begin to connect with you and your topic. So this is where you now need to look at your curriculum, how you break down that curriculum so that you are meeting the needs of your user. The most important thing is your branding, look and feel. Now, I was not one of those people who were too into how you brand things, and I've had a marketing manager that was just going on about branding. I just couldn't understand why. Now I realize that it's really important to use your colors so people know you. So when you think red and white, what's the first brand that comes to mind? Well, you might have different ones, but for me it was Virgin Atlantic. So you think of the colors, then you think of the brand, and then you think of Richard Branson. You see? So it might not be red and white, you might associate it with a flag, but I'm just using that as an example to show that if people see certain colours, they see certain fonts, they begin to realise it's your brand and they will start to connect with it every time they see these colours and these fonts. There are people who are undeclared dyslexic, and that means they cannot read text like Times New Roman, any of the script fonts. They cannot read it clearly and understand it. And there are thousands of people who are adults and who have learned to cope, but they still have a problem. So why don't you make your course accessible to all? Now, I can help you with this and more when you jump in and you take this little course and I take you through some of the basics. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care for now. Janice Weir-Germia. I decided to live, and so can you. No more excuses. I decided to live. No more excuses.